The answer differs for every rider. It's complicated, but it's a simple question. Why? Why do you ride?
I was on a bike at 4 years old, and it's pretty much the only thing that I do that feels natural.
You know, mountain bike, it's all my life, and I wake up every day just for that.
Why do I race? It's the best sport ever. It's my whole life. I just love it, and it's just so much fun. It's just an amazing thing to do.
You know, riding, that's just therapy to me, basically. It keeps me sane.
So now I ride because I love it. I don't think it's like a job now, it's just a hobby.
I hate losing. I'm a sore loser.
I push it so hard because it's so fun.
Andrew Short, Ryan Morris, Antonio Cairoli, Matt Rabot, Brock Kepler, Ashley Feilich, Ronnie Rimmel, Ricky James, and Todd Potter.
You know who Vince Lombardi is, right? But I remember some quotes I like from him. It doesn't matter who wins or loses, then why do they keep score?
The best sport in the world, in the solar system even.